How to log into JCPenney Employee Portal. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'm going to talk about how can you access the JCPenney Employee Portal account. So follow the simple steps provided by me. First of all, begin by opening any web browser and entering www.jcpassociates.com and hit enter in your keyboard. Then you will be directed to the portal's main page where you will see two distinct sections, active associates and former associates. First of all, choose the relevant section based on your status and proceed by entering your user ID and your password. Select a language and click on sign in order to access your account. So this was all about how can you log in to your JCPenney Employee Portal account. If you found this guide to be informative, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. And don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest contents. Thank you for your viewership and support.